Teslas generally exhibit strong safety performance, blending advanced technology with robust structural design. Their vehicles achieve high crash test ratings, with many models earning five-star safety scores from organizations like the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. However, their safety profile is nuanced, especially concerning autonomous driving features like autopilot and full self-driving. While these systems enhance safety in many scenarios, they introduce potential risks that require driver attention and ongoing scrutiny. This overview will break down crash test ratings from NHTSA, IIHS, and Euro NCAP, key safety features, both active and passive, and real-world data, including accident rates and statistics. We'll address both the strengths and potential weaknesses of Tesla vehicles in 2025. Tesla vehicles typically score well in official crash tests. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration often awards five-star overall ratings to Tesla models like the Model Y, excelling in rollover and side impact tests. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety has granted Top Safety Pick Plus designations to several Teslas. Euro NCAP also awards five-star ratings, praising pedestrian protection and safety tech. However, some older models have faced downgrades due to concerns with front crash protection. Tesla emphasizes both active and passive safety systems to protect drivers and passengers. Active safety features aim to prevent accidents before they happen. These systems use cameras, radar, and artificial intelligence for lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving. Passive safety features work to mitigate injuries during a crash. This includes a reinforced aluminum frame, multiple airbags, and energy-absorbing crumple zones that absorb impact energy. Tesla's battery packs also incorporate thermal management and fire suppression systems to enhance overall vehicle safety. Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving systems utilize a network of cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and radar, combined with a powerful neural net processor for real-time decision-making. These systems are designed to enhance safety by assisting with lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous driving. However, these systems have faced significant scrutiny due to real-world incidents and regulatory investigations. In 2024, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration launched a formal investigation into Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving systems, following 13 crashes involving emergency vehicles that resulted in 17 fatalities. This followed an earlier 2023 probe into 35 crashes. Tesla has responded to these concerns with software updates, such as red light emergency braking and improved handling of emergency vehicles. Despite these improvements, ongoing debates persist regarding the overall maturity and reliability of autopilot and full self-driving systems, particularly in complex real-world scenarios. Tesla assesses real-world safety through fleet telemetry, collecting data from millions of vehicles to track accident rates and performance. This system monitors miles driven and incidents, providing insights into how safety features perform in everyday driving. According to Tesla's 2024 telemetry report, Tesla vehicles have an overall accident rate that is 40% lower than the U.S. average per mile driven. This data comes from analyzing real-world usage across their fleet. Tesla's global fatality rate is 2.3 per billion miles driven, compared to 4.1 for traditional gas vehicles, based on studies from organizations like the University of Michigan. Battery safety is also strong, with less than 0.001% of Teslas experiencing battery fires annually, according to Tesla's reports. However, independent analyses sometimes show conflicting results. For example, a 2023 MIT study found that vehicles using full self-driving have a 4 times higher risk of rear-end crashes compared to human drivers. When evaluating these statistics, it's important to consider the source of the data. Tesla's telemetry provides valuable fleet insights, but independent studies offer different perspectives for a complete picture. Examining real-world incidents provides valuable insights into Tesla's safety systems. In 2023, a highway rescue demonstrated the effectiveness of Tesla's automatic emergency braking. A Tesla Model Y driver was saved when the vehicle's ADAS detected a jackknifing semi-truck ahead and autonomously applied the brakes, preventing a collision. This case highlights how advanced driver assistance systems can work in critical highway scenarios. Conversely, the 2018 Joshua Brown fatality was one of the first autopilot-related deaths. A Tesla Model X, operating on autopilot, failed to detect a tractor-trailer turning across the highway, resulting in a fatal collision. This incident highlighted the limitations of camera-only systems in certain visibility conditions and led to significant scrutiny and software updates from Tesla. In 2024, a series of crashes involving emergency vehicles led to further investigation. 13 incidents, resulting in 17 fatalities, involved Tesla vehicles with full self-driving mistaking stationary ambulances or fire trucks for regular traffic. This prompted NHTSA's formal investigation and Tesla's software updates for emergency vehicle awareness, though critics called for hardware improvements. These notable incidents demonstrate both the strengths and potential weaknesses of Tesla's safety systems. While ADAS has prevented collisions in critical scenarios, limitations in camera-based detection and autonomous features have led to fatalities and investigations. Tesla continues to update software to mitigate these risks. Experts offer balanced views on Tesla's safety, acknowledging both innovations and risks. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration emphasizes that while Tesla's technology is innovative, autopilot isn't foolproof, and drivers must remain engaged. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety president notes Tesla's strong vehicle structures, but warns that autonomy could lead to complacency and more accidents if not properly regulated. Critics, like Consumer Reports, rate Tesla's full self-driving as not fully ready for widespread use, citing a 2024 survey where 70% of owners reported close calls with the system. However, some safety researchers argue that Tesla's data-driven approach is superior, predicting that autonomy could save 1 million lives annually by 2040 if properly scaled. Overall, expert perspectives underscore the need for ongoing vigilance and responsible use of Tesla's autonomous features to ensure safety on the road. The future of Tesla safety involves increasing integration of AI and data-driven enhancements. By 2030, full autonomy could potentially reduce human error significantly. Regulatory trends include proposals for mandatory crash avoidance systems and restrictions on unsupervised FSD. Future models may incorporate LiDAR for improved performance in low-light conditions. The overall outlook is optimistic, but scaling FSD globally depends on regulatory approvals and public trust.